More travel tips and hacks. Here we go. I am Erik the Travel Guy. Thank you for watching and thanks for subscribing. Let's get things underway. This is travel tip number 16, which has to do with your next hotel stay. Now, before I book a new reservation at a new property that I've never stayed at before, I anonymously call the front desk and ask the following 5 questions. Now stay with me on this, and yes, these questions are printed in the description below. Here are the questions I asked. Number 1, is the hotel under construction or renovation? If so, please explain. Number 2, are there any sizable construction projects in the neighborhood? If so, explain those. Number 3, are there any security concerns in the neighborhood? Number 4, I am considering a stay over, just insert whatever date you are. Are there any large groups or wedding parties staying at the hotel during that time? And number 5, are pets allowed to stay on the property? If so, what is the segregation for other non-pet bringing guests? So there you have it. It's travel tip number 16. Good news, I've got more information on this subject and many, many others related to your next great vacation. Just go to my website. That's erikthetravelguy.com. Thanks for watching.